Hi and welcome back. Let's learn about the shapes names. Ring, this is a purple ring. Cube, this is a magenta cube. Cone, that's a blue cone. Tablet, it is a white tablet. Sphere, that's a cyan green blue sphere. Cylinder, this one is a purple blue cylinder. Spiral, this is a cyan blue spiral. Star, that is a yellow four-corner star. Pyramid, it is a golden pyramid. Oval, that's a dark orange oval. Heart, it's a red heart. Dandelion, that is a purple-gray dandelion. Coin, this is a silver-gray coin. Fluid, this one is a green fluid. Puffer, it is a purple-pink puffer. Diamond, that is a ruby diamond. Cylinder, this is a magenta cylinder. Smoke, this one is a cyan blue smoke.
Let's learn the colors. Red, green, blue, yellow, brown, gray, orange, purple, magenta, black.
If you like our video, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.